Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how to turn on vibration on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. So, to do this, we need to go into your phone settings. Then we're gonna scroll down to the bottom of your menu and find the accessibility section. And then we're gonna press touch. And that's where we find vibration. And as you can see, I have one active. If you don't have one active, so the button is grayed out like this, then you just have to toggle that button to activate it. But that's not all. We can also go back to our settings. And this is where we can select the section, Sounds. And here we can choose to vibrate as different kinds of sounds. So for example, for ringtone, no one for text message, for alarm, and so on. For example, we can choose ringtone. Press. If you have more than one SIM card, you will be asked whether you want to select a ringtone for the first or the second SIM card. You choose which one, and then you go to this page. Now we select haptics at the top. Here we can see that there are different kinds of vibrations. And in order to understand what they are, you'll need to hold the phone in your hand. We can press them. And it's only when we hold the phone in our hands that we can feel the difference between these vibrations. Once you've selected a particular vibration for your ringtone, you can go out and do the same thing with other settings with other sounds. Also here we have such an interesting section. We can turn on or off the keyboard feedback. And we can either turn it off or turn it on, so that it vibrates when we're typing or not. There's also other system settings here. And I recommend that you always have them active. This is how we can turn on vibration on the iPhone, and also set vibration to different notifications and sounds. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put your likes and comments. See you later.